go. Check-in process.
So easy.
Check-in.
7 minutes.
No, officially 10 minutes.
Okay,
officially.
3 days,
10 minutes.
3 days, 10 minutes.
Brody says add 3 days to that. No, yeah, 10 minutes from leaving the Uber to completely checking in, which is absolutely incredible. Yeah. So we are on the gangway, right?
Yeah.
On the gangway, getting on the ship. Our port arrival time was 11:30. Got here at 11:34, and it's 11:44. So I can't be any much happier than that. Royal knows how to get you on the ship as fast as possible, and they've done it again. So 2 cruises in a row. I can't believe.
Hungry.
Oh yeah, it's time to eat. Brody, are you hungry?
Yep.
Let's get our cruise on. Welcoming committee. Woo. We're on
Please go to our mustard stations.
B3.
Mustard, Brody said.
We are on officially. And off to our muster station. All right, so the first thing we have to do is find our muster station, which we have, which is on deck 5. B3 is Chops Grill.
All right.
We're heading that way now.
We are at El Loco Fresh. Corey's getting some. Let's see what we got.
It's chicken quesadillas, Mexican beef, Mexican fries. Sorry, go ahead. Pork fajitas. Chicken fajitas. Let's go.
What do you think of El Loco Fresh?
Pretty nice.
It's so good. I love it. What'd you have?
Cheese quesadilla.
Quesadilla. Brody had a cheese quesadilla, I had a chicken quesadilla, and we had the pork carnitas. So good.
El Loco Fresh. Amazing. This is the second plate already. I give this place a 10 out of 10. If you like burritos, if you like tacos, if you like quesadillas, it's all here. If you don't want to eat the carbs, you don't have to. I get it with just the proteins and all of the fixings. So, highly recommend it. Looking forward to my second plate, so bon appetit. Now entering the Plex. Oh, looks like they got basketball going on right now. All right, we are going up the stairs. See what the shuffleboard situation looks like. And also, we haven't seen Playmakers before, so that'll be interesting to see because they didn't have that on Quantum. Looks like they have like ticket games. That's cool. These are cool. All the little, yeah, the virtual touchscreen tables. Cool. Oh, little mom-son shuffleboard action. One of our favorite things to do. And they have it at Playmakers, which is great. Little outdoor Port Everglades, Celebrity Reflection, and the Celebrity Ascent are both in port today. I believe the Ascent is much newer. They also have pool tables, which is really, really cool. Dartboard, and the main bar. A lot of great food in here. It does cost extra, so be prepared for that. All right, so here we are, room tour, deck 11, room 556. This is a veranda room.
Come on in. They don't call them verandas on Royal.
Oh, what do they call them?
Balcony.
Sorry, Royal fans.
The bathroom.
Bathroom. So if you've been on Quantum, any of the Quantum class ships, the bathrooms look pretty much identical. If you haven't, I love the glass shower doors.
Standard sink and toilet. It is not a split bathroom, but it is a lot of room.
Full length mirror right behind you.
Full length mirror.
And a closet. I feel like this room's a little more spacious than our Quantum one.
Really?
Well, look, because look how big this hallway is.
Yeah. It is, yeah.
And I think it's maybe because we had a Oceanview only, but 2 full closets.
I know we got a balcony.
Yeah.
We did. Yep. And you have the storage above the bed.
Wish we put our snacks in.
Yep. Snacks are great there.
There's drawers right here.
TV. Yep.
Refrigerator, desk.
I thought we'd call it a cooler.
It is a cooler.
See? Oh, there's no actual
There's no lock on
combination lock. There was like a lock on the front of the one on Quantum, so it's nice to see they've done away with that.
And then we have our balcony.
Yep. Unobstructed view of balcony on deck 11.
Oh yeah.
Of course, the port is just Port Everglades.
It's a big balcony.
It is.
It's a clear wall.
Clear wall balcony. Yeah, this is very, very nice. Yeah, this is
pretty.
Yeah, this is fancy.
I like it.
Me
the
too.
The port is not very pretty, but
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
that's okay.
Oh no, I'm not recording. I forgot to record.
Did you?
Yeah, we're gonna have to start over.
Okay.
Just kidding. I was gonna make that part of the blooper reel. Oh well, it didn't work out. Beds. So it's a king, right, or queen?
It's a royal king. It's 2 twins put together.
Yeah, they basically put 2 twins together. Do a bed test. See what you think.
Oh God.
Just.
I don't even want to.
Yeah,
The
we're
royal
spoiled.
beds aren't that comfortable.
Yeah, we're spoiled.
It's very hard.
Oh boy.
It's very firm.
Great.
But it's okay.
Might have to request a pillow topper, so we shall see. But there you go, 556, deck 11. It's technically room 556. Thanks, guys. See you later.
We're gonna go bumper car.
Yep. So cool.
I'm gonna get you.
I want to get the camera.
Get it. All right, here we go. Bumper cars. Going for the green. Let's go. Oh. Well, this is interesting. Sorry for the shakiness of the camera. All right, we are in. We are strapped in. Steering wheel, nice. If you're ever wondering how to get in line for the bumper cars, on the Quantum class ships, it is right to the left of the bumper cars. We got here about a half an hour early. There was no line. We were the first people to start. So literally, we are the very first people to go. All right, we're gonna go get Brody. Let's get Brody. Head on. Let's get Brody. We got Brody. All right, where's Mom? Here's Mom. Oh, Mom's crashing into Brody. Oh, no. I think that's gonna end a. Man. Mom is gonna have another detached retina after this one. Here we go. Here we go. Like drifted you. Wow, I feel like I got a fast car, man. This thing's flying. I love it. Oh, bro's gonna get hit. Bro's gonna get hit. Bam! All right, let's see if I can chase Mom down before time is up. There she comes. Yeah.
Okay.
And that is the end of bumper cars.
So we decided to do our reviews after eating because main dining rooms can be really loud. But this is just a quick overview of the menu and what we were able to choose for tonight.
Hi guys.
Hello.
It is pretty quiet in here though.
It's very quiet, yeah.
So that's
Main
nice.
Dining, Royal Caribbean, our first time in main dining comparatively to all of the specialty restaurants we did on
Quantum of the Seas.
So,
We are on Odyssey of the Seas.
yep,
Got some nice little art going on above you.
yeah,
So far it's very nice.
yep.
And we'll see what our food entails.
Can't wait.
For our appetizers, we ordered the crab cake, tomato soup, and the chilled shrimp cocktail. The crab cake and tomato soup were just okay, nothing special. I wouldn't write home about them. They were just eh.
And I also got the chilled shrimp cocktail. The shrimp was definitely not chilled. It was more room temperature. Actually, on night 2, I asked them to add some ice to it, and they actually corrected the problem. So the chilled shrimp cocktail was a huge success, but just on night 2 and beyond.
For dinner, I got the spaghetti bolognese. This was my least favorite dish of the entire cruise. Meals only went up from here. This one was not my favorite at all. Don't recommend.
And I ended up getting the prime rib, which was cooked perfectly, buttery, melted in my mouth. The vegetables were al dente and cooked perfectly. Brody got the New York strip. He said it was very tasty, and the baked potato was cooked perfectly, and the veggies as well.
And then for dessert, we both got the key lime pie with ice cream. And the key lime pie was one of my favorite things I've ever had for dessert on a ship.
I agree.
Got some late night shuffleboarding here. Playmakers. Oh yeah. Oh no.
All right, we are on.
Hi.
Hey guys.
It is 12:25 in the morning. We've had a full day. Like,
Yes.
we crushed it. We did take a nap for a little bit before dinner.
Yep.
And
That
we're
we did.
heading to Coco Cay right now.
Yes, that's our first stop. This is day 1, so very first day of the cruise. Coco Cay is the very first stop, which is kind of crazy because I was hoping it'd be like the last stop, but I'm okay with being the first stop.
Yeah, we're so excited. We're really close. And yeah, best part about today.
Go ahead, bud.
The games.
The games, yeah.
Shuffleboard and pool.
Playmakers, yeah. Playmakers has a lot of really fun things to do, like darts and shuffleboard and pool. And is that it?
Drink.
Yeah.
Drink? Well, we had soda.
My favorite part was just like getting on the ship and having a Loco Fresh. It was really good, and just experiencing the new ship.
Yeah, a Loco Fresh is probably my new favorite spot for lunch. I can see going there quite often. Except for tomorrow, because we're having lunch at the Beach Club.
So we will see you guys there tomorrow. Or actually, you didn't say what your favorite part was.
I didn't, no. I don't know, we did so much today. We went to the comedy show, we went to dinner in the main dining room for once. And then, what else did we do?
I don't know. Pick your favorite.
I'm trying. I can't think of a favorite. I'm just going to go with all of it. All of it was my favorite today.
Easy answer.
Easy answer. All right, guys. We will see you in the next one.
See ya.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
That is where we're going, and well, total. And this is where we're going tomorrow. So we will be there in the morning, 7 a.m.
Santa's coming to town.
Santa's coming to town.
Coming up in our next video, we enjoy a full day at the beach club at Coco Cay. See you guys there. Thanks for watching.